Dear dancing friends in Hungary, it's Ben here, Ben Yeger, and just sending a small message to you before I come and visit in Budapest to offer a movement medicine workshop called The Wisdom of Conflict. Information will be somewhere on this page, so you can sign up or show interest. This workshop is my first ever workshop that I created some 8-9 years ago, and it speaks to the main area of work which I focus on, which is indeed conflict. And I'm really aware that for some, and maybe for many, this word and this work can feel quite scary. So I want to just let you know that the aim of this weekend is to find the deep, deep resources that exist in this thing called conflict, and finding the way in which we can resource ourselves to be able to face into these moments of challenge and difficulty without having to be hurt or have to be triggered into places of unsafety. So we will be building a strong container for our work in addressing and looking at our relationship to conflict, both past, present, and hopefully into the future. And I want to say that I believe that this is a real core personal asset to be able to do this work with conflict, through movement, through being with others and sharing in this way. And I promise that we'll create a safe space to do this. So I hope that you can join us, and we have a fairly substantial circle already, so there are a few places. So if that is you, then please do join us and connect with Patricia, who will be signing up and doing all the admin for this amazing opportunity to come and share this work with you in Hungary. It's a real honor. Thank you so much for inviting me. And I look forward to seeing you there at some point. Thank you. See you soon. Bye-bye now.